I'm recording this faggot.
Do it.
This is awesome.
Noah, Noah. He's up on the
I think I should get that bad.
That shit's not even draining, it's just fucking flooding the sink.
Ew. I'm not looking. Go to the big shit. Get a plunger. You're looking in the sink.